Melanie Goss's movie night is coming up. So if you haven't RSVP'd yet, please do so by Friday, October 2nd. This is my way to thank you for both your business and your referrals. The actual event is on Tuesday of next week, October 6th. So this is how it's going to work. Have an idea of the movie you want to see anytime between 6:30 and 9 p.m. The schedule is out now, so just go to themoviehouse.com/Austin. Show up 1 hour early and find my table for a movie voucher, and then you can redeem it at the box office. The big movies right now are Black Mass with Johnny Depp and Benedict Cumberbatch, Everest with Jake Gyllenhaal, Hotel Transylvania, that's a good kids movie, Matt Damon's The Martian, other movies like The Maze Runner, that's a sequel, and The Intern looks really cute, and a movie with Emily Blunt and Benicio del Toro called Sicario is also out. But before you go into the movie of your choice, you need to take some pictures with my fun props that I have. I expect to see some fun, crazy pictures, okay? So, I hope you can make it. This is my way to thank you for your business and your referrals. And because I work solely off of referrals in my business, I would love the opportunity to work with more fabulous people exactly like you. Come enjoy a movie on me. And remember, I'm never too busy for you or any of your referrals. Have fun and hope to see you there.